Hello YouTube, this is You Can Do It Dave. I have come across this Shark robotic vacuum, okay? And it was badly plugged up with the dog hair. So what I did was I pulled out these 5 screws, pulled this wheel unit out, ordered a new wheel unit, and put it back in. So now that I have this Shark vacuum up and running, it's time to do some maintenance. Okay, I didn't want to really do anything with it until I could get that wheel fixed. And now that it is, so I'm looking at these front brushes. Okay, you just grab a hold of them, pop them off. Same with this one over here. Now, as you can see, these brushes are not very good. And looks like that one's on its way out as well. So I'm looking at these brushes, and it's like, well, I have the empty holder. I already have it. Okay. Well, what does this remind you of? What does that remind you of? Sure reminds me of a paintbrush. Okay, and I got a ton of these. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take some epoxy, and then I'm going to take a pair of cutters and just snip off some old brushes. Like that. Now I want to make sure that they're the same length, which they are. Okay, use the original brush material. Okay. So make sure all the brushes are lined up. Spread them out with your fingers. Make sure the bristles are clean. Okay. Spread them out with your fingers. And then just dip them in the epoxy. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that set up. And I'll do the next one. You are under a time limit with this, with the epoxy. The epoxy is going to set up on you. So you got to make sure you get it done quickly. There. Now I'm just going to let that set up, and we'll see how it works out. Now, if you would like to see the difference between a paintbrush bristle and the floor bristle, there's the paintbrush, and there's the floor sweeper. It's quite a bit heavier, but these are more flexible. So if these are spinning around, they should still do the job. We'll see. Given the epoxy a bit of time to set up. Okay, and I just jammed them in there. So now we can start tidying it up a bit. All the bristles that didn't stick. So we'll give that a try and see how that works. And the beauty of this is it just pops back on the machine. There's no wondering if it's going to stay on the machine because it is the original piece. I'm going to say those brushes work. Now, this is just a test. If it does work and they last quite a bit longer, this may be the way to go. But for right now, it looks like it's doing a pretty good job sweeping. And I've got all the materials here on hand, so this is You Can Do It Dave. We'll see you next time.